front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Apps section available here. Now click on Choose Default Apps and tap on any of those sections you wanna manage, like Browser app. Now tap on an app you wanna apply as your new default one. And when you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!